I'm in North Carolina's Outer Banks on the trail of the lost colony of Roanoke. These are thin barrier islands between the Atlantic Ocean and the North Carolina mainland. It means that sometimes just getting from point A to B here can be an adventure.
I'm gonna take a little shortcut. And I'm driving on the beach, which, believe it or not, is totally allowed here. Due to the unique geography out here, there are whole sections of the Outer Banks that can't be reached by any highway. And so off-roading is not only allowed, it's practically a local institution. Tokyo Drift, Tokyo Drift. Good Lord! It does feel like this should be illegal though, doesn't it? Okay, time to find our way back onto the paved road. So if you've got the right vehicle, the right permit, and an overinflated sense of your driving skills, you too can travel on nature's highway.